What's up guys, this is Polish Bullet today with another video. Today I want to show you how I take care of my Alcantara seats. I know those are not the easiest to clean. You gotta vacuum them, use the special products. I'm gonna show you later what I'm using and how I'm doing it. But the problem is I live in an apartment building on the 5th floor. So obviously it's not the easiest thing to do. I can just drop like 200 feet of extension cord and hook up a vacuum on the parking lot, you know what I mean? So I gotta go to the place where they got free vacuums, and it's like about 3 miles away, and they show you the process. So bear with me. Let's get some N mode action. Oof. Love the pops, bro. This car is awesome. I hope you guys trying to take care of your Elantra N like I'm doing. I basically clean it all the time. My girlfriend's always pissed off at me. So right now I'm gonna try to do a little maintenance, I guess detailing of my seat. You know, I do construction, so it get trashed all the time. And I mean, it's a shame, I know. Not everybody wanna put their Elantra N through stuff like that, but it is what it is. I love the car and I do what I do, so I just gotta deal with it, that's all. Freaking sun today is just killing me, seriously. I work outside, so it's not helping, trust me. There's another car wash that they're gonna have free vacuums over here. I already talked to the owner. I like this place. I wish there was hold on a second. Oh, I thought they opened. I wish there was a car wash without the brushes, you know how they call it, the hands-free car wash or whatever, because I still use those once a while. I'm gonna make a video how I do my routine, you know, using the regular car wash, I guess, because I don't have a garage, unfortunately. So just gotta play with that a little bit. I'm on the market to buy a house. Hopefully it will be soon, so I can just buy my everything, pressure washers, all my detailing stuff and vacuums and everything, and I'll be a happy guy. Seriously, the only thing I need is a freaking garage. So hopefully my dreams come true. I'm gonna buy a house and live there with my girlfriend, and she can do her stuff, I can do my stuff in the garage and be happy. My man cave. We're almost there. Bikes. Oh my god, what is going on, bro? Okay, we're here. Hopefully not everything's taken. Like one of you said, the retro sound of Hyundai and Kia turning signals. That was funny, man. But seriously, that's how it sounds. Okay, let me back up and I show you how to do it. So basically, guys, what you need is a little brush, and buy a big brush for the leather and all the nooks and crannies. I got a microfiber. Got a leather detailer. I mean, don't mind the brand, it's McGuire's. I'm just testing it out right now at my car and my girlfriend's car, so we'll see how it works. And this is a Alcantara cleaner. It's Dr. Beasley's. They're based on Chicago, so they literally sent me this stuff in like one day. So let me show you how to do it. First step, we're gonna use the detail brush and the vacuum. It might be a little bit loud. I'm gonna try to lower the volume, but you know, it is what it is. Let me just show you how it's done. doing all the nooks and crannies, everything. Okay guys, so next step, we're gonna go with Dr. Beasley's. Obviously always take the brand new product, shake it so I can mix all the chemicals. Alright, I'm gonna use the leather brush for it. You can miss the seat slightly, not too much. Miss the brush a little bit and massage it. Got a little hair over here. Go everywhere. Don't push too hard, you know, this is a gentle material. Don't go too crazy on it. Works flawlessly. I can tell right away that this seat looks better. You can repeat the process. Obviously you don't have to do it in one time, you don't have to go too crazy. So a little mist, not too much, brush, and go again. Oh yeah. That is nice. I think I'm gonna have to vacuum one more time because of the brush leaving all the hair on the seat, but that's okay. No problem. Just work it in. Oh yeah, that looks nice. If you got little spots like over here, for example, you might have to use a little bit in your detailing brush and just work it in. Oh yeah, it's going away. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that one disappeared. We had two over here. Oh yeah. I really like this product. It actually works. I was kind of concerned, you know, the Alcantara seats. I do construction, obviously those two things don't mix, but actually it really works nice. Not bad. Okay, let me show you on the seat on the top of it. So the same process. Little spray. Clean it nice. Oh, this stuff seriously works. You can tell right away. Wow, I'm actually surprised. Oh man, looks like brand new. A brand new seat, guys. The passenger seat obviously is going to be a little bit cleaner, but I'm picking up one of my friends to work lately, so we're both dusty and early after work, so no, that is beautiful. Hey guys, I just want to show you a little bit different perspective. So you can leave Dr. Beasley to dry out. You know, obviously it was just mist, so there's you know, it's not damp or nothing like that. Don't do that, by the way, because it's just gonna ruin the Alcantara. Now you're gonna take your microfiber, whatever, Casco, AutoZone, whatever you guys want. You're gonna use the leather detailer. Always shake it. Couple sprays. Just working in all the leather accents over here. Oh yeah, that works nice. A little bit more. All the bolsterings, you know, those things get cracked usually when you don't take care of them properly. Your body trying to fly away from it when you're doing Hyundai Elantra N mode. Nah, I'm just kidding, I'm just playing. But still, you gotta take care of them, otherwise they're gonna be cracking. I'm not a master detailer, obviously, but you know, that's how I take care of my car. Always trying to keep it as clean as possible. I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna clean this one right away, my elbow. It's touching this poor piece of material all the time. Always dirty, every day. So since I'm doing it, why not, right? So there you have it. It looks way nicer and cleaner, right? I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but you gotta try it out. If you try it out, you'll see the difference. I love the product, and the seal looks pretty much brand new. This is how you do it. I'm gonna link all the products and brushes, everything, whatever I'm using, in the description. You guys can do the same thing, or maybe tell me how you guys take care of your stuff. You know, I'm gonna probably do a little like mini series or something like that, how I take care of, like, say, wheels, seats, glass, you know, paint and stuff like that. You know, I've always been into car detailing. I'm not professional, but I just love cars, you know. So hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe, you know the drill. And hopefully the audio is better right now, because the freaking vacuum is getting crazy over here, so just bear with me, trying my best over here. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.